Hey guys, welcome to Tranquil Bujo. It's time for planning October with me in my journal. As soon as October starts, we begin thinking about Halloween. So, for this month's theme, I'm going back in time to an old cartoon that I grew up watching. Ghosts, vampires, ghouls are all present in this classic cartoon, Scooby Doo. Taking inspiration from this, I came up with this month's spreads. For the cover page, I found this scene from the cartoon series and decided to replicate it. Here, Scooby Doo is pretending to be like a ghost trying to chase his other friends while an actual ghost is behind him. I am using 300 GSM Canson Mon 12 watercolor paper with Daler-Rowney watercolors. And the fine liner that I'm using is Staedtler pigment liners. For more bullet journaling and painting videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Now let's start making the actual planning pages. For the monthly overview, I lettered October with a slime font and then created the boxes in a similar fashion with a lot of drips and drools. In the empty spaces, I drew some iconic Scooby Doo villains. The first is the ghost of Captain Cutler from the first episode, and the next one is the Phantom. For color, I made the slime green and painted the villains with their actual colors. With the same slime font, I titled the tracker and the habit tracker. For the mood tracker, I represented each day with a bat and decorated it with the Dracula from the series. I painted the Dracula with the colors on the show and added green to the titles for the slime. This next page is a quote page. At the end of every episode, the villain would always say,
"It would have been mine if it hadn't been for those meddling kids."
Under the quote, I added Spooky Space Cook. Finally, for the first weekly spread, I went with a simple horizontal layout with slime boxes and added the dates in the beginning. Now for the final flip through. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys, see you in the next one.